Okay, can't quite see the rem. It's on the screen over here, so I'm just adjusting the levels, turning levels up quite a bit. I've got quite a lot on tap, on power, on dynamic range power. I'm just checking anything that rattles in the room, you know, anything can rattle, anything. Playing the sub, you know, the subs, where it might be playing screen channels, any one of the surrounds in the room, any one which I can pick and have it sounding specifically with sine wave. I could do any speaker in the room, which most home cinema, home theatres couldn't even do, even though they can. But when it's using multi-array surrounds, just like a, well, not just like a cinema, is a cinema. Checking through everything, just so you know, anything that can rattle. So the grills often on the JBL, I think the JBL up here on the height number 1 left. I'm tending to notice it rattling now and then. I'm not sure if it could be I mean the enclosure seems secure to the wall, the ceiling. Occasionally it's the grill, because the grill's attached by Velcro, because the screw fittings go from behind in, because it's fitted to the ceiling. It's got some special fittings going in the ceiling, and it's pretty firm. The grill just tends to gradually, with gravity, it's occasionally shifts a little bit. And if the grill was not really attached, but if I could use the force and suspend it slightly, so you know, away from the side, so if that's the grill and that's the enclosure there, and if it's floating between, then it wouldn't make any resonant noise, rattle, buzz, whatever. But if it's just touching, and then the frequency, the pressure in the room, woof, it excites the part of the grill which has got cloth and plastic around it. The grill is plastic, and special plastic, probably alien technology. It just tends to jitter, move, and then thus it's going to make a noise, isn't it? It's going to make a sound. Anyway, okay, let's just put a 40 Hz sine wave. I mean, that's pretty loud. I mean, that's probably more loud than probably what I would play. Probably would be in a fundamental part of the film's soundtrack. Say, be it sub-bass extension for Dolby Stereo 424 Matrix, or LFE 0.1 discrete. Doesn't hurt my ears, but I know that the tone 40 Hz is really playing really very strong, even though the room modes, and it's, if I walk up close to just a couple of feet, it's like the pressure is just going to go from like that to like that, and then I'll be running out of that zone because the pressure is just too much. But I would say that was okay. Nothing else seems to be rattling I can notice in the room. But then if I change the frequency, the wavelength changes and such. So that was okay, and I had the level up turned up to max, even though the level for the subs, for the amplifiers, they're only at halfway point. So I suppose if I change the frequency, go a bit higher up, maybe say 45 Hertz. It's something that I can hear. I'm not sure if it's harmonic. I can feel that frequency in the room, but I know it should be a lot more stronger, a lot more, because it's on a concrete floor. I've only got two JBL 18s up front. Don't want to take the video too long, otherwise it just takes far too long to upload. Not that it bothers me. 50 Hertz. Oh yeah, I can feel that. But I can sense there's something vibrating up front, up on the screen. It's not the subs. It's not the JBLs. I can take it, Captain. It could be the stage. It could be you know, any one of the 5-screen JBLs on the stage. It could be part of the screen. It could be some bits of cardboard that I got stuck down to keep my cat Bear from jumping in between the voids and up and on and up round behind the screen. Oh dear. Could be that. But I don't think it's a problem. I don't think it's a problem. Go up to maybe 60 Hertz. Well, that gets a bit on my ears there, because it's probably the room modes, and probably at 70 Hertz as well. It'd be a bit, yeah, it's a bit too much. Don't mind feeling the frequency, but that's easy. Do it through the bass shakers and it's alright. Just step down the octave, go down to 31 Hertz. Flipping that, it's vibrating. Got something rattling behind me. So, got something rattling behind me now, huh? What is it? So, where's the, what's it? Somewhere behind me. So I've got the mouse here, so I'll just press. There was a bit of plastic conduit goes over the pipes for the central heating. Because it's vertical, it just gave me the impression of like it's this large, this rattling. I can hear this rattling. So I wonder if it I don't know if it'd pick up. The microphone would probably pick up too much of the sub bass, the pressure at the 31.5 Hertz. And it probably might not, you know, register anyway. I'll stop the video there and see what I can hear on the playback of the video.